In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Hubspot. We'll break it down into simple steps that you can follow along in just 5 minutes. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hubspot homepage. If you already have an account, you'll find the login button prominently placed on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the login portal. Enter your credentials and access your Hubspot dashboard. Remember, having your login information handy will save you time. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. This page serves as the central hub of your operations, providing you with easy access to all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. Now, direct your attention to the navigation bar located at the top of the page. You'll see several options here, but today we're going to focus on creating reports. So go ahead and click on the Reporting tab. Moving on from the reporting overview, you'll want to click on the Reports section within the Reporting tab. This section houses all the previous reports and gives you a comprehensive view of your data analytics options. More importantly, it offers the tools needed to start crafting your own custom report, a key step in making data-driven decisions for your business. So let's dive in further. After you're in the Reports section, it's time to click on Create Report. This action takes you to the report creation options. Here, you'll have the opportunity to design reports that specifically suit your business needs. Now, for more tailored insights, click on the Custom Report Builder. This powerful tool allows you to tailor reports with precision, ensuring you get the most relevant data. When you're in the Custom Report Builder, you'll be prompted to decide how you wish to add your data. The options provided can range from selecting various data sources to choosing specific metrics and dimensions that align with your objectives. Consider the kind of data insights your business needs before making your selection. Think strategic. It's all about honing in on what truly matters for impactful reporting. Once your data choices are set, proceed by clicking on the Next button. This takes you into the final stages of designing your report. You can further refine your report here, ensuring that it reflects exactly what you want to see. After reviewing your selections and settings, click on Save Report, and just like that, you've created a custom report in HubSpot. This process, while straightforward, harnesses the power of HubSpot's comprehensive analytics capabilities. Custom reports are invaluable, empowering you to track progress, spot trends, and make informed decisions. So take some time to explore the possibilities and refine your reports further to extract maximum value. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can create custom reports like a pro.